So the power look, I'll give you an example. So first I'm going to give you a regular look when I'm acknowledging people. So I'll say like, I like the way that you guys are following directions. Thank you for being here. I like the way that you're following directions. Thank you for being here. And then I see somebody displaying a behavior that I don't want them to do. So I'll just simply go, I like the way that you're following directions. I like the way that you're following directions. I like the way that you're following directions. And then I see somebody displaying a behavior that I don't want them to continue. And then I'll just go, okay, great. So when I was looking at everybody else except the two ladies that I gave the power look to, where was I looking and what was my expression on my face? Where do you think I was looking, face-wise? Not everybody at once. Oh, by the way, you're not allowed to answer. At the eyes, okay, you're right. But how interesting is that? See, human beings, we're automatic. Ready? From this point on, we'll get back to the power look. From this point on, you're not allowed to raise your hands because I told you so. Okay. Oh, by the way, you're not allowed to raise your hands also because I'm a man and I told you. Oh! And now there's also people that shot their hands up. There's also people who are like, I want to put my hands up. Why? It's insane. You make it mean that I have some sort of power. Why do you hand me your power?